This is Kelly Hill, Executive Editor of RCR Wireless News. I'm here at Mobile World Congress Los Angeles 2019 with Russ Ernst, who is Executive Vice President of Products and Technology at Blancco. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you doing today, Kelly?
Good, good. So tell us a little bit about the company and where you guys fit in the overall device ecosystem.
Sure. So Blancco Technology Group, we have a lot of mobile solutions that address mobile diagnostics and erasure technologies all across the mobile ecosystem. We believe strongly that as devices move around the ecosystem, this is a consumer-driven industry, and consumers are very interested in the value of the device and then the trust in the data in the device. And so that is really what the driver is for us to focus on data erasure and device diagnostics.
So when we think about 5G, I've heard a lot of people saying in terms of analyst expectations that 5G is really supposed to drive some new, maybe sort of get the device, the new device market out of a bit of a rut that it's been in for the last couple of years. How is the emergence of 5G and 5G devices going to impact what you do?
Yeah, the emergence of 5G is really important to us because we see this as a driver for consumers to maybe upgrade to a new device to take advantage of the high bandwidth, low latency advantages from 5G. And so then as consumers want to upgrade to a new high value device, the way that they can afford those devices is by trading in old devices. And that's where we come into play by growing the secondhand market and giving those consumers the trust in those devices that their data is going to be properly sanitized and that they're going to get the right value for their device as they trade it in.
So you guys had an announcement at the show this week. Why don't you give us a little bit of a rundown on that?
Yeah, sure. We're announcing a couple different things at the show today. The first is around our mobile processor solution, the Blancco Mobile Diagnostics and Erasure solution. We have a new technology that's allows us to diagnose the device without even dropping an application on the device. And so in that case, mobile processors, which would typically take about 12 minutes to process that device, can now save up to 50% of that processing time. Another major announcement we have is around an app-based approach for customers that would be in the buyback trade-in or the insurance market. And we've got some really innovative technologies around machine learning and artificial intelligence that we can diagnose the device from a consumer standpoint and assess the device even on the LCD, for example, and do some cracked glass detection and other LCD detection and make sure that that consumer feels very confident in their buyback valuation.
Okay. Great. Well, Russ, thanks so much for your time. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Kelly.